Hi boys and girls, welcome to your video for today. Today we are going to be taking a look at dot plots. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so we are going to be looking at a frequency table and we are going to take that frequency table data and we're going to create a dot plot from it, okay? So pay very close attention. Looks like we have the number of students between the age of 6 and 9 years old. So we have our students on the left-hand side and our ages on the right-hand side, okay? So a dot plot is a way to blank data on a blank. A dot plot is a way to organize data on a number line, okay? So we are going to organize this data using a number line. Let's go ahead and take a look. So if we look at our number line, this is our number line down here on the bottom. It says the number of students between 6 to 9 years old. Okay, and then on the bottom, we have 6, 7, 8, and 9. That represents the ages of the students. So the first thing we're going to have to do is look at our frequency table. And we are going to have to identify the amount of children that are 6 years old. So what I've done, and what you should do if you had paper and pencil, is you should go ahead and circle that data. Okay, there's only one. Student number 4 is 6 years old. There's no other kiddo that's 6 years old. Okay, so then we're going to put a dot for 6. That means one kiddo. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and circle the kids that are 7 years old. There are 3. Student number 1, number 6, and number 9 are the age of 7. So we need to transfer that data to our dot plot. Put 3 dots for 3 kiddos that are 7 years old, and I'm just going to label it. I'm just going to label it just like you would with your bar graph or your frequency table, okay? You just have to label everything. Next, we're looking for the kiddos that are 8 years old. I have student number 2 and student number 8 that are 8 years old. I'm going to take that data and go ahead and transfer it. And then label. Okay? Last is going to be students that are 9 years old. I have 4 kiddos that are 9 years old. So I'm going to transfer that data and I'm going to label it. Okay, now I think we're ready to answer some questions. First question, how many students are 8 years old? Okay, we already transferred all of our data. All we have to do is go over to our dot plot and look at the age of 8. There are only 2 students. So that's our answer. 2 students. Which age had the most number of students? So we have to look at the age of students at the bottom and see which one has the most dots because the dots represent the kids that are that age. So I'm looking at 6, there's only 1, 7, there's only 3, 8, there's 2, and 9, there are 4. 9 years old. Which age had the most number of students? 9 years old. Number 3. Which age had the least number of students? Oh, this one's easy. Just by looking at it, okay? It looks like 6 years old only has 1 kiddo. 6 years old. Number 4. How many students were 8 or 9 years old? Okay, so that means we are going to have to take the age of 8 and the age of 9 and all the students that fell into that category. So really, we're just adding 4 and 2 because I have 4 kids for the age of 9 and 2 kids for the age of 8. And you should get a total of 6 students. Okay, I want you to notice that after you label your graph or your data or your dot plot, the questions are so much easier. You have to make sure every single time that you label your data. Okay, you're a rock star. See you guys next time.